Hello, I'm Manisha Sahoo. My roll number is 21MT10029 and I'm from section 16. For my DIY assignment 2, I have created a smoke detector using Tinkercad. To create this smoke detector, I have used an Arduino UNO, a breadboard, two LEDs, a piezo speaker, a gas sensor, four resistors of 220 ohms each, and connecting wires of different colors. So this is my overall circuit design as we can see. And here we have connected the cathodes of the LEDs to the ground pin of the Arduino through resistors, and we have connected the anode of red LED to pin 12, the anode of green LED to pin 11. We have connected the positive terminal of the speaker to the ground pin of Arduino through a resistor, and the negative terminal of the speaker we have connected to pin 10. For the gas sensor, we have 6 terminals. The terminal A1, H1 and A2, they are connected to the 5-volt pin. The B1 pin is connected to the ground pin of Arduino through a resistor. The H2 pin is connected to the ground pin of the Arduino. And the B2 pin of the sensor is connected to the analog pin A5 of the Arduino. Now let us write the code to execute it. First we delete the existing codes. Now first we introduce a new variable and let's name it smoke density. Here we set this to A5 as the gas sensor is connected to the analog pin A5. Now we introduce an if-else statement to our program. Here we set when the smoke density is greater than 100, then the output will be that the pin at number 12, which is the red LED, it will be set to high. The pin 11, which is connected to the green LED, it will be set to low, and the speaker on pin 10, it will start buzzing. Now when the smoke density is less than 100, we set the pin 12, which is the red LED, to low, and the pin 11, which is the green LED, we set it to high. Now we have completed writing our code. So let's start simulation. Here as we can see, when there is no smoke, the green LED is glowing. When the smoke is introduced, so as we saw, when the smoke is introduced, the speaker started buzzing and the red LED started to glow. So now let's stop the simulation and we convert our block code into text. We download this text code and let's now continue to the Arduino IDE. So now we open the text code which we saved in Tinkercad in Arduino IDE to see if the code is compiling properly or not. Here we start the compilation. And now here we can see the compilation is completed properly. Thank you.